Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Extrude Boss and Extrude CAD SolidWorks 2025. First I am going to select plane, select right plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle, center rectangle from origin. Now go to Smart Dimension, this line dimension 100 and this line dimension 80. Okay. Go to feature and extrude from midplane. Give the value 60. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the rectangle, corner rectangle. Select. Now, now this line dimension. Now this line dimension. This line dimension 9 and this line distance 12. Okay. Now go to feature, select extrude card. Now here cut through all. Now again here this face and sketch. Now here draw rectangle, corner rectangle draw here. Select. Now give the value this line and this line below 20. 20. This line distance this line and this line distance 36. Okay. Go to feature and select extrude card. Okay. Now go to front plane and mirror. Now here select feature to mirror. Boss cut extrude select and cut extrude select. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the value circle value 30. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select through all. Now here select through all. Okay. Now go to again edit here. Now give the value 60. 60 value 60 and 30 value 30. Okay. Give the value 30. Now I am going to select coincident delete. Just move this point. Okay. Now here select line. Okay, select. Now go to trim, cut here, select. Now just move here. Okay. Now this is perfect now. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Now give the value, this line value 24 and this line value 20. Now this line and this line value 30. Okay, select. Now this point control or chin point vertical. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now haircut through all. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Now draw rectangle midpoint. Now give the value, this line value 50 and this line value 40. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Dear friend, I am going to show from mid level. Just you learn easily SolidWorks. Now go to this face, select and sketch. Now draw the circle from here. Now give the value here 20. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select through all. Okay. Now go to this face and select sketch. This face select and sketch. Now draw the line here. This point select and this point and this point and this point select. This line dimension 10. Select. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select extrude card through all. Okay. Select card through all both. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to here edit. Delete this relation. Just move here. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to select right plane and mirror. Now here select card. Okay. Dear friend, now our job is complete. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. If have any design, you just send our comment box or email. You can join our online class and offline class. Then thanks all. Best of luck.